Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an animated video like this, using only free software. Keep watching.
So that was created using an AI, and it took me like less than a minute to create that video. And the best part about this, guys, is that this AI is 100% free. I'm gonna be showing exactly how to do this right in this video, and then I'm gonna be showing you guys a case study and then how you can monetize this kind of video and make money. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jer at jerdigital.com. In this YouTube channel, I talk about make money online, affiliate marketing, latest technology, product reviews. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's dive right into our video. So this is the animated video that I created a while ago, and this is created using Adobe anime or Express. You can go to express.adobe.com and you'll be able to land in this website. And it's really simple, guys, and it's really straightforward video creation process. You don't need to have any kind of video editing skills or learning how to animate manually using Adobe Anime. You can use this cloud-based software right here, and this is 100% free, right? So once you land in this website, guys, you can automatically create an animated video. All right, let me show you how to do that. The first thing that you need to do, guys, is that you need to identify the size of your video. You can click on the size right here, and you can choose an output size. You can use Instagram. There are multiple sizes for Instagram. There are square, story, reels, portrait, landscape, IGTV, 4x5 or 9x16. Or you can use Facebook landscape, feed, and story, right? Twitter, you can use landscape, portrait, and square. You can use YouTube, right? So the one that I used a while ago is YouTube because I uploaded this video on YouTube. And then you can use Pinterest. You can use multiple sizes for Pinterest. LinkedIn, you can use multiple sizes for LinkedIn, vertical videos, square, and landscape. And then TikTok, right? You can use the standard one, which is the 9:16 ratio. And then you can also use a custom size, right? You can put your own custom size right here. All right, but in this video tutorial, I'm gonna be using a TikTok, and then I'm gonna be using standard. All right, I'm gonna choose a character. Let me go back to my character section, and you can choose a category. You can choose a new category of character. You can use human characters. I actually use human, and then you can use creatures, right? You can use food, right? You can animate this food characters right here. Emojis, you can also animate emojis, but I really like to use this human characters right here. And the one that I use is the smart, but you can use this kind of video. So let's say you wanted to use this Jamie. You can scale this character by moving this left to right, and then you can also use a drag and drop. Right here you can make your character bigger and smaller. So I'm just gonna make this smaller, something like this, and then we can choose a background. You can choose this one or this one. You can choose multiple backgrounds right here. But the only downside with this, guys, is that you cannot upload your own custom images or custom background. You can use the pre-built and preset background images right here. And also the characters. As of this moment, you can upload or create your own character. You can use the template right here, but you have a wide range of characters like doctor, like this person right here, a ninja, like this one is a superhero, right? You can have, or you can use this different kind of characters right here. And then let's try to use this background, right? You can choose this living room background. And then we need to have an audio or our voiceover. Now you can record your own audio by clicking on this record button right here, but you can upload your own audio. Actually use text to speech, which is this website right here from video. You can go to video.com, text to speech. you can use this software for 100% free, right? So this is the content or the script right here that I copy and pasted inside of the software. And if you don't know how to write a script, you can always go to ChatGPT, guys, to write a script for you. One of the idea of content that you can create with this animated video, guys, is a joke, short vertical videos like this person right here. He's creating a joke, something like this. So wife, so we have the joke of the day right here, and this video is getting thousands of views, guys, using an AI. Let me play this one for you.
Wife. What do you call those things you blow and make a wish? Husband. Breathalyzer.
Alright, guys, you have that really simple slideshow video, but this video is getting thousands of views. As you can see, um, it's getting hundreds of likes right here, and it's getting thousands of views, and it can drive traffic to whatever product or offer that he's promoting, right? And you can do exactly this kind of video using an AI. You can ask ChatGPT right here. I have a chat inside of ChatGPT right here. Write me a joke about my wife and make it in a way that two person are talking to create that joke, right? The person one says, the person two says, and they both laugh each other, right? You can copy this one. I'm just gonna copy this, and then I can go to this software right here. And again, this is 100% free. You can choose a an accent and English Australia. I'm just gonna choose this Black Bailey because I think this is the one that I used a while ago. And then I can click on preview.
I heard your wife started a new job as a baker. How's that going?
Right, and then I can click on download. It will let me download as an MP3, right? And then I can go to my creation right here, and then I can choose and upload an audio, right? And then we can choose this audio right here. All right, and as you can see, guys, our video is now creating. The AI automatically create our video. It's now processing the video, and it will take us a couple of seconds right here. All right, it's now computing the lip syncing. All right, guys, and that's it. All you have to do, guys, is to click on
I heard
preview.
your wife started a new job as a baker. How's that going?
All right, so that's the preview of your video. You can click on this download button and it will let you sign up your account. But that video has been downloaded into my computer, and now you can go to the next person right here. You can copy this one, then you can go back right here and then go back to editing, and then you can replace an audio right here, and then we can choose different person, like let's say this person right here. All right, so this would be the next person. We can go to our text-to-speech software, and then we can copy and paste that second line right here, and then we can choose a different accent. Let's try English. Let's say India. We can click on preview.
Well, she's kneading the dough all day, so I guess you could say she's really earning her bread.
And then we can click on download to download that as MP3, and then go back to our creation, and then we can choose an audio file and go to our download and then upload the audio, and it will automatically create that new video. All right, so
Well, she's kneading the dough all day, so I guess you could say she's really earning her bread.
all right, so that's the preview of our video. We can again click on download to download that in our computer, and then you can go to another video editing software, which is CapCut. Right, and then let's create a new project. Right, and then we can import our video. So this is the video right here. Right, so this is our first video, and then the second video right here. Right, so we can reposition this one. Right, so this is our first video.
I heard your wife started a new job as a baker. How's that going?
Well, she's kneading the dough all day, so I guess you could say she's really earning her bread.
Alright, guys, so that's the preview of our full video, and then you can click on export this, and then add the title and click on export, and it will automatically export this, and then you can upload this in different kind of social media places like on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Reels. Monetize this content with your offer, or monetize this with ad revenue. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it guys. And by the way guys, I have a free affiliate marketing training below this video, which is 100% free. If you wanted to learn affiliate marketing, I have a free training below this video showing you exactly how you can do affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.